Assalamualaikum. Myself Ibrahim Shayan. You are watching Technical Highlights on YouTube. I know after a long time I'm uploading this video on YouTube, but you know what? This is gonna be very exciting for you. After reading the title, you have came to know that this is gonna be unboxing of a keyboard, right? So previously I was using Invent wireless keyboard. Model is ETKCW002. If I'm wrong, then you can check in the description. I will give you the link if you want to buy this. This keyboard I have used around 2 years thanks to this Invent keyboard. You can surely use and check this keyboard. But now this keyboard had been a problematic for me because many times I want to remove the uppercase of the keyboards and the keys. I want to clean it, so it has been very rough to me and very stressful. So after looking that, I am shifting to the new keyboard. Okay. Before that, let's throw it. Then here comes our HP KM300F keyboard. Here you can see. If you want the first look and overall review of this product, then watch this video till end. So without gibberishing, let's get started. First, remove this HP seal. If you didn't get this seal, then your product is not original, so you may return this product. So let me remove this. Then already this had been toned by the couriers, but no worries. Here you can see the guards. So you will see something like that, and then above the product you will see HP cover. Just remove it, and here you can see the HP keyboard. I will talk about this later. Then move to the another things what we get. You will get some manuals from HP and the guarantee warranty cards. You can check if you want, you can read. Then you will get the mouse at the right side. Here you can see with 6 buttons. So these are the items you will get in this keyboards and mouse box. First, let us talk about mouse, where you will see 6 buttons. On the left side 2 and the about 2 with scroll button, and here are the 2 common buttons which are the right click and the left click. In this you will see 800 to 6400 DPI, and this mouse is supported to Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. And the cable length of this mouse is 1.5 meter, which is PVC cable, and the connection type of this mouse is USB. Here you can see, and the keyboard is mechanical type. Here you can see the upper body is the metal.
Hey, wait a minute, that's not true.
The upper body is the metal.
And these are the plastics. Here you can see the front look and the back look. And in the back side you will get 2 stands to make your keyboard a little bit higher from the backward side. Then if I talk about button press life, you will get up to 10 million clicks. Do whatever with your keyboard up to 10 million times. I think I have used 50 clicks here. And this keyboard is supported to Windows 7, 8 and 10. And to connect to the computer you will get USB type connection with a cable of 1.6 meter in PVC material. Now I will show how it looks when the mouse and keyboard are connected to the laptop or PC. Let me just connect my keyboard on the side port and the mouse side of my laptop. Now let me just switch off my lights. So here you can see the RGB look. Now let me show you some of the shortcuts using FN keys. The first shortcut is FN plus F1, where media player will open. FN plus F2 and F3 are the volume button up and down. So F2 is downwards and F3 is upward, you can see. And if you press F4, then it will be muted. The volume of your PC will be going to mute. If you press FN plus F5 while watching some of the videos, then you can stop it. If you press FN plus F6 or F8, then you can switch your video to previous one or the next video. If you press FN and F7, then you can pause or play your video. If you press FN plus F9, then open mail. Then if you press FN plus F10, will open home page of your browser, which is my Google Chrome browser. If you press FN plus F11, then you will see file manager. If you press FN plus F12, then you will get calculator. If you press FN plus 1 to fade the keyboard light, and FN and page down to decrease brightness level of your RGB light on your keyboard. If you press FN plus page up, then it will be increased. In the mouse, at just below the scroll wheel, you will see DPI switch button, where there are the 6 different DPI levels. This first one is the 800 DPI, where if I click, then you can see it will turn to green, purple 1600 and blue 2400 DPI, and 3200 is red one. Here you can see. Then the cyan color light will be 4800 DPI. Then the 6400 DPI is the orange one. Then on the left side you will see 2 buttons. Here you can see this one is the forward. If I click this forward button, then you can see on my computer. If I click the backward button, you can see on my computer screen. it will redirect to my previous web browsing page. Here you can see. So that is for this video. If you enjoyed, then hit the like button below, and if you have any doubt or you want to suggest me anything or you want to hire me to make videos on your topic, then you can feel free to comment below, and also I try to reply all your comments ASAP. And if you are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to all to watch my latest videos. If you want to buy this product, you will get the link in the description.